Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. The person that you are dealing with, have been dealing with, you felt this crazy connection because, yeah, this is the person I feel like you have dealt with in a past life. Honestly, for the last couple of y'all readings, I will be honest with you. Some of you guys have been dealing with a twin flame. I've been picking that up. Some of you guys, this is your soulmate. But regardless, you dealt with this person in a past life. I'm gonna have to deal with my shuffling in a minute because this is bad. Anyway, so yeah, you dealt with this person in one of your past lives, and basically, I feel like if you guys have been at odds, maybe if there's no communication, maybe if you guys feel like something needs to change, I feel like this person is gonna come back in, and they're asking, actually, both of you guys to express your love to each other, express how you truly feel. I do feel like for some of you guys are getting married, so congratulations. For others of you guys, I do feel like this person is getting ready to take you somewhere. You know, the holidays are coming up, and they know they messed up. For some of y'all, somebody messed up bad. So I feel like they're trying to plan this, like, secret getaway vacation spot. So, you know, y'all two can just reconnect. So, yeah. If not, it could just be simply that they're coming to, you know, spend time with you for the upcoming holidays. So, let's jump in. Let's just see what's going on. Alright, so, bottom of the deck. It's you. Okay, so we have Death in Reverse, which is the card for Scorpio. So, some of you guys could be dealing with another Scorpio. If not, this is definitely your energy, and it's saying that when it comes to this person that you've been dealing with, you just feel like you're not going to have a new beginning with them. You guys are over it. Yeah, you guys want a happy home, but you feel like things are just moving slow. So, let's see. Tell me more. What's going on with Scorpio, please? Yeah, I feel like at this point, you guys possibly were really, like, in your head. You guys were worried about what was taking place, but you're coming out of that energy. But look what I just said. It's like y'all are still worried. Okay, it's back and forth. I feel like one minute you're letting it go, but the next minute you're still worried about something. But then the next minute, you're coming out of worrying about it. Okay, so Scorpio, you guys, honestly, with these three cards, this is telling me you guys are really in your head about whatever is going on with your situation. Maybe some of you guys feel like you were placed into some type of third-party situation here, and you removed yourself out of it. Or somebody got out of it here. But either which way, it's like you're disappointed. Now, y'all know this is a general reading. Y'all know I gotta say it every single time, because somebody be like, oh, it didn't resonate. That. Okay, listen. It wasn't for you, okay? So, you know, just take whatever fits your situation. And this honestly could go vice versa. So, just wanted to throw that out there. But, yeah. So, maybe somebody is disappointed because they found out about a third party. I mean, you cannot make this up. There was definitely a third party here, Scorpio. So, you know, I don't know if you started this third party situation, you know, the other person's upset, or it goes vice versa. It could be, you know, could have been them. They put you in a third party situation. But because these 2 3s are here, that's definitely a third party. And y'all know it could be a man, woman, family member, friend, whoever, but it's somebody standing in the way. They're both reversed. So this is telling me that maybe somebody basically ended a third party situation here. They could have gotten out of that. So let's see which one makes sense, which is why they want to come towards you and express, you know, what's going on, how they feel. They want to take you somewhere. So let's see. Yeah, they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I do feel like this person wants to move forward with you. They just don't have hope. Because, yeah, they know that they put you in some type of situation here. And they're worried. They're feeling guilty. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I feel like this person now, it's like they have the strength to come towards you. The Page of Cups tried to jump out. So this is telling me that somebody wants to give you an offer, Scorpio. Alright, somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. I do feel like somebody had to walk away from some type of toxic situation here. And money could definitely be involved because, I mean, I just looked here. That's the 8 of Pentacles. So you got the 5 of Pentacles reversed, 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so the 7 of Pentacles, that's reversed too. So anyway, money. Somebody was definitely in some type of situation for money. So maybe whoever you were dealing with, Scorpio, maybe they were dealing with some type of like karmic soulmate. It's just like maybe they had to deal with some type of lesson on their end as well. But I do feel like, you know, you walked away from this situation because this person made you feel like you were left out in the cold. But you're coming out of that energy. You're coming out of being frustrated. But yeah, you're no longer putting in the work to try to make things work with them. I feel like if they come back, oh yeah, they have to do it all. Look at that. There's the 8 of Cups. Y'all definitely walked away. Clarify the 8 of Cups, please. Yeah. Scorpio, you're walking away from this person because you feel like you're not going to have a victory with them. You're no longer being positive about this individual here. And yeah, I feel like by you guys walking away, it's allowing you to have a peace of mind about it because you guys were just worrying all the time. Like, y'all were definitely in your head. Didn't know what to think, what to believe. You know, so at this point, it's like maybe you guys found something out. Or you just use your intuition. You're like, you know what? You're not going to play me. I'm over it. Somebody's definitely in some type of codependent situation. So it could have, again, been because of finances. Or there's addictions here affecting your life. Your love life here. Tell me about the Page of Pentacles reversed for Scorpio, please. Okay. I feel like with the 8 of Wands here, this person's getting ready to come and communicate with you. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but they're going to come and tell you everything. They want to give you the truth. They were in some type of codependent situation, so they want to talk to you. But they feel like they're scared to come and talk to you. They think you're going to end it. I mean, you've already ended it. You walked away, but they think you're going to end it. So they're like, oh, God. But, yeah, they're coming. Tell me more. Yeah, I feel like they don't want you to look back at the past. It could be you guys just moving on. You're like, you know what? You can come towards me all you want, but I don't want to look back at the past anymore. I'm tired of dealing with you. You know, but you guys, judgment is here, and then your card came out. This is saying that you need to make a decision because you're saying this to this person, but somewhere deep down inside, you're still holding on because you care about this person, you love this person, but you don't care for the way that they've been treating you. And I don't blame you at all. I walk too. Death is here. They're saying something needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. Tell me more. Tell me about the Death card. Yeah, somebody's weighing up some options here, Scorpio. This is you trying to figure out what to do. You're back and forth if you want a new beginning with this person or not. Lord. Is pregnancy in the air or something? Like, oh my God, you guys are like the 5th sign. I swear, you're like the 3rd sign. I mean, pregnancy is here. So, I don't know what's in the water, what's in the air. If you ain't trying to get pregnant, you better put on a mask. So, be careful. But maybe some of you guys don't know oh my God, yeah. Okay, maybe some of you guys don't know what to do. Maybe you're holding on because maybe some of you guys are pregnant. That's only for some of you. Maybe it's a situation to where you see yourself having a child with this person. You want this new beginning, but at the end of the day, regardless if there's a baby here or not, if you want a new beginning or not, take whatever fits your situation. You're tired of this person stabbing you in the back. So you're getting over that. You're getting out of that energy, but again, you feel like you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here, but there was a lesson for you to learn, Scorpio. So it's asking you to take a step back and reevaluate some things. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but at the end of the day, you guys are just trying to remain positive. You're trying to keep your head up. You guys are really fiery. You're like, oh yeah, y'all been going off on this individual, but I feel like at this point, y'all are just tired. You feel like, what's the point of even saying anything because nothing is changing. Anything that I say or do, it's not working. Look at that. It's 2 people here. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but somebody's in their head because they have to make a decision. It's two people here. I've been saying this for a while for y'all, Scorpio, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody's definitely in some type of third-party situation. So I don't know who I'm picking up for, but there's a third party here. It's like somebody is the one that, like, these two people are supposed to be together, but this other person is a karmic soulmate, which is somebody who was brought into the other person's life to teach them a lesson. So either which way, everybody has been, you know, dealing with the other person in a past life. But this other individual that's the karmic soulmate, this person only wants the individual because of their money. It's all about what they can do for them financially. Somebody's definitely in their head at this point, and that's why they're moving slow, because they're needing to make a decision. This person is very childish the way they've been handling the situation, but you guys are like, you know what? You can have her. Have her, him, whatever. Like, I'm not gonna put myself in this situation anymore. I'm removing myself. You're very childish. You're very immature. If you're married, you're really thinking about getting out of this marriage because this person keeps putting you through things. You're getting out of this commitment because you're realizing that there's no stability with this individual. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus, and somebody is also dealing with an Aries here, but you guys are just over it. You guys are realizing that this person is not bringing you security into your life. They're not secure. There's no stability. You're over it. You're like, no. But somebody's frustrated here, and they're not speaking up. I feel like it's a person who messed up. Somebody is definitely dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but whoever this is, it's like, this is somebody who doesn't speak up about how they're feeling. So if it's like two water signs that are dealing with each other, one person is like, has that fiery energy about themselves where they're speaking up. The other person is like, they don't really express themselves. So I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be two water signs, but that's just, honestly, I'm picking up for somebody. Somebody's dealing with another water sign here. So yeah, I feel like the person who really isn't speaking up, who, you know, you have to guess how this individual feels about you, they want to come in and give you an offer. Now they're ready to put in the work. It's like after you walked away from them, you're threatening them like, I'm leaving you. I'm getting out of this relationship. I'm getting out of this marriage. You probably filed divorce papers and they got them in the mail and they're like, oh shit. Like, it's, oh, okay, they're not playing with me this time. Like, all right. So now, here they come trying to put in the work because now they want things to improve. They don't want you to leave them. They feel like they're nothing without you. You know, not trying to be funny, but that's just what I'm picking up. But there's just a lot of conflict going on. You guys are arguing. Maybe somebody's arguing because they took some type of financial loss. I told y'all, somebody is dealing with a karmic soulmate and they're taking their money. Look at that. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but you guys are looking at the situation like there is no balance. This person is getting ready to take the lead to come towards you and fix it, but they know that, one, their money isn't where it needs to be. They feel like they messed up so bad, they caused this imbalance in the relationship. But they're taking it day by day. Somebody's taking it day by day and getting stronger here. Look at that. Somebody wants to move forward. Y'all, somebody is pregnant. Y'all, somebody's pregnant. There's a baby. There's a baby. Or somebody... oh, Jesus. Okay. It's not for everybody. Y'all, please don't go around trying to kill somebody. Trying to hurt somebody, because it's not for everybody. But I'm telling y'all, there's a baby here for some of you, but for the others, I feel like this person wants to move forward with you because they see happiness with you, but they're scared that you're going to reject their offer. Look at that. And so that's why it's like 1 minute they're stuck at a crossroads, the next minute they made a decision and they want to move towards you. Why is the Six of Cups here reversed? I feel like they're looking at, you know, what has taken place in the past. Maybe somebody was dealing with someone from the past here that they were undecided about. Now it's like they made a decision. They want to take a leap towards you. But somebody is avoiding the tower moment. Somebody's trying to duck and dodge something from falling down. Clarify the tower. Look at that. Somebody is definitely not using their intuition. Look at that. With the moon in reverse and temperance in reverse. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Pisces here. Somebody also is dealing with a Sagittarius. But I feel like the truth is definitely getting ready to come out. And somebody feels like there is no balance here.